Here are the things not to do on probation. Number one is have a bad attitude. If you do not have a good attitude when you go to meetings with your probation officer, it's going to hurt you in the long run. So try to have the best attitude possible, an attitude of looking to the future that you're going to get through this and cooperating with what the probation officer asked you. I always tell folks getting through probation is simple. You just do what the probation officer tells you to do. That's really all there is to it. Now, I know it's a little more difficult than that. It's easier said than done in some cases, but that's truly what you need to do. Go to probation, make all your probation meetings. Be there 15 minutes early, okay? Be respectful of the probation officer's time. If they call you on the phone, pick it up, talk to them, okay? But what you need to do when you meet with your probation officer is be there early, be respectful, listen to what they had to say, write it down, make sure you've got clear instructions, and then go do it, okay? If you've got classes to do, go do that. If you've got fines to pay, get those fines paid. If you've got restitution to pay, get that paid off. Community service hours, get that done. They can help you. They can tell you where to go and where you can get some hours done, but just do what the probation officer tells you as soon as you can, because you may be able to get off probation early. A couple things not to do. I tell people, don't drink while you're on probation, okay? Alcohol just leads to trouble. Don't possess any drugs. While you're on probation, the probation officers can come to your house. They can search your person. They can search your house. So do not possess any drugs. Don't drink any alcohol. Don't do any drugs, and don't commit any new crimes. If you commit a new crime, that's going to be a violation of probation. So stay away from drugs, alcohol, friends that are going to put you in a bad situation, and just make sure you're checking off all the boxes that they're asking you to do it. If you can do that quickly and with a good attitude, you may get a probation officer that recommends you for early termination quicker than you think is possible. So make sure that you cooperate with them to the extent that you can. If you have got any problems or questions that happen on probation, it's best to be proactive about it. It's a lot easier to get out in front of it than it is to react to a violation, because if you're violated, you're going to be arrested and back in jail, held without a bond. So if there's a problem or issue with probation, I would recommend that you hire a lawyer so that it can be addressed before you're arrested.